Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and I'll be sharing with you guys the best 10 deals at CVS for the week of January the 16th to January the 22nd. I have some money makers and a couple just great deals to share with you guys. If you have not already, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to all so you know whenever all my videos are coming up. And let's get started. All right, as always, guys, you know, as couponers, we do not pay for toothpaste and toothbrushes. So got a really great deal on this Colgate toothbrush. What you're going to do is you're going to buy two of them. They're going to be $4.49 each. We're going to use a $2 coupon that came out recently, and we're going to use two of those $2 coupons. There are no store coupons specifically for this one thing, and then you're getting back $5 in extra care bucks. So after you do all that, it's going to be a 2-cent moneymaker or just absolutely for free. Also on the app, I'm going to share these with you in just a moment, but there are some CRTs on the app for toothpaste. But let's get to some other toothpaste deals, and then I'll share that with you. In addition to the toothbrushes, you can also get toothpaste from Colgate for free. You're going to buy two of them, and the price is going to be $3.99 for each of them. You're also going to use that $2 coupon from the paper, using two of those. If you don't have that coupon, no worry. You can use a $4 off 2 coupon that's on the CVS app. So love a deal like this because you really don't need any paper coupons at all. Then you'll get back extra care bucks of $4, making this absolutely for free. In addition to that, there is a CRT on the CVS app for $4 off 25. Now remember, a CRT are going to be those coupons that CVS releases. It's kind of like a store coupon that you can use in addition to manufacturer coupons. So if you spent $25 on toothpaste, mouthwash, or toothbrush, it's going to be $4 off $25 worth of that. So this could be an even bigger money maker. And then I also have a $5 off 25 on any Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash. So like I said, maybe that one comes off and it's a $4 moneymaker with that $4 CRT or the $5 CRT. Just check your apps and see what you have, because everyone has different CRTs based on what they buy. And you never know sometimes. Sometimes the CRTs, I might have a $4 off 25 and a $5 off 25, and they both come off. So we shall see if it works or not, but I'm sure that one of them will come off. In addition to the Colgate, there are Crest toothpaste that you'll be able to get a dollar moneymaker on. So what you're going to do is buy two of the Crest toothpaste. They are $2.99 each. You will not use a paper coupon, but instead you'll use an app coupon, and you have to check it in the store, but there are multiple $2 off Crest toothpaste coupons. So like one might be on the Crest Pro White, and one might just be on a different Crest. Then you're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks, making this a dollar moneymaker. So like I said, use two of those $2 coupons, and then the $3 extra care bucks makes this a dollar moneymaker. In addition to that, this could be an even bigger moneymaker, because on the app, there are some CRTs on the app as well. Now, you have to spend $30 and you'll get $5 back on Crest, Scope, or Oral-B Oral-B products, toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash. And I actually have that deal twice on my app. So just check it out and see. I probably won't use that CRT because it is a little bit higher of a threshold to get to that $30, and I don't foresee myself getting there. But just know that $5 coupon is on the app, the CRT, that you can use in addition to the manufacturer coupons. I never pass up a spend $30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. There's so many great deals this week, and it's a little different. This week we do have some vitamins and some Nature Valley products that I will be picking up, as well as the Tide. So in addition to the spend $30, get $10 back, I really don't have a scenario for you guys, but I will tell you that there is a 50-cent coupon on the CVS app for the Nature Valley. So that's great. That's a no paper coupons needed. In addition, there's an IBOTTA bonus. So you can use the IBOTTA rebate app for 50 cents back on the Nature Valley product, as well as a bonus if you buy a couple different products. In addition to that, there's a $2 Nature Made on the CVS app. So like I said, again, no paper coupons needed. There's a high value coupon of a $4 for the Centrum. And we also have a bunch of $4 Centrum paper coupons that came out in the recent paper. So you could pick up a lot of vitamins right now. Of course, we have the $3 Tide that is on the app that you can use. I also have a $1 Cottonelle and a $1 Scott toilet paper, tissue coupons on the app. If you don't have the Cottonelle on your app, there are some printable coupons out there for Cottonelle and Scott products. With the Cottonelle, all you have to do is sign up for the email, and you'll be able to get those Cottonelle coupons that come in your email all the time. But like I said, just use that $1 Cottonelle coupon on the app. In addition to that, there's an IBOTTA bonus for 50 cents. I bought a rebate for 50 cents and also a bonus. So those are all great to use for that. So, no paper coupons needed. You've got lots of options for this. And there are more of the items for the spend 30, get $10 back than what I just listed. But I just thought these were really great ones to get because we really don't get a ton of high value coupons for toilet paper anymore like we used to. And also, in addition to that, getting that 50 cent IBOTTA bonus. So, makes me happy, and I'll probably be picking that up as well as the Tide and probably the Centrum vitamins using that $4 coupon. All right, guys, go ahead and try your scenarios out, and let me know in the comments what you decided to get on your Spend 30, get $10 back this week. All right, we have a no coupons needed deal. I've gotten this several times. Every time it comes out, I always pick it up. This is the Micro Gold Disinfectant Spray. What you'll do is you'll buy one of them. It's going to cost you $9.99. You will not use a coupon. You will not use an app coupon. None of that. You'll get back $9 in extra care bucks at the register after you spend $9.99, making your final just 99 cents for this disinfectant spray. Now, I know a lot of people say, I can't find this in my store. It is not in my store where the cleaning products are. I always can find the Micro Gold on the end caps in the store. So you might just want to look around and look at end caps if you cannot seem to find this. And a lot of times this is not advertised in the store. They don't put the little sticker on the shelf. But you can just take it up to the register if you want to check and see if there's extra care bucks attached to it. But it has been for so long now. But yeah, great disinfectant spray for only 99 cents each. Next, we have the L'Oreal Lv Shampoo. You're going to buy two of these at $4 each. It'll be $8. There is a $4 coupon that we had in the paper. And then we're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, making this just $1 each or $2 together. So not a hard deal, very easy. And check your app because you may have some hair coupons, CRTs on your app that you can use in addition to the $4 coupon. In addition to our spend 30, get $10 back, we also have a spend 20, get $5 back, and it's on these shampoos listed here. I made up a scenario, and it's going to be just $1.40 for each bottle after we do this. So here's the math on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 3 of those smaller bottles of the Pantene. So that's going to be 3. When you buy 3, it'll be $12. And then I'm going to pick up 2 of those herbal essences for just $12 or the Head & Shoulders, whichever I prefer. When I do that, my total is going to be $24, so I'll be well in my $20 threshold. Taking off that $5 in extra care bucks, it's only going to be $19 after that. Then I have a $3 Pantene coupon on the app. This is a manufacturer coupon, so I won't be using any paper coupons. This will all be app coupons, so a $3 Pantene coupon. Also a $3 Herbal Essence coupons. After those 2 manufacturer coupons come off for the Herbal Essence and the Pantene, it's going to be $13. Then I have $6 in CRTs. There's a $3 for the Pantene and a $3 for the Herbal Essence. So that's $6 in CRTs. Making that a final cost of $7 for all 5 shampoos or $1.40 each. Now, the CRTs that are coming off are a $3 off of $8 worth of Pantene, so we'll cover that. And then also the other CRT for the Herbal Essence is $3 when you buy $8 worth of Herbal Essences. So plenty of coupons on there to use. If you don't want to do the Herbal Essences, there's also a $3 Head & Shoulders if you would prefer that. The math should be the same on all of that, and everything should just come off like normal, but you'll be getting the $5 back, the 2 manufacturer coupons, and the 2 CRTs, making all of it just $7. The next product we have is something that we do not ever get. I've never gotten this, but I'm going to be picking this up this time. This is called the Compeed. This is like a blister type product for your feet or whatever. You're going to buy one of these at $9.99. We do have a $4 coupon that came out in the January 16th save. So you're using that $4 coupon. And then IBOTTA has a high-valued rebate for $4 back. So $4 coupon, IBOTTA rebate for $4 back, making this a final cost of $1.99. And I will be checking to see how many times I can do this. And if I can do this a couple times with IBOTTA, I will be doing this a couple times with IBOTTA. This isn't something I necessarily need, but I will be taking it to work to try to resell to some people at work. So I think it's a great deal getting $8 off a $10 product. All right, we have a great deal. No coupons, paper coupons needed, excuse me. No paper coupons needed for these Febreze small spaces. I love these to put in my car. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of them. They're going to be $2.99 each. We're going to be using that save $3 coupon, manufacturer coupon on the CVS app when you buy 2 of them. So essentially it's buy one, get one free, or just $1.50 each. I may still have some of these coupons. I'm not sure if the expiration date have gone off of them yet. I checked the prices at Kroger and a couple other stores. It is comparable, so it's not, it's probably about the same price at Kroger. So, yep, picking these up, no paper coupons needed. Guys, if you are not receiving the text messages from CVS for some of the weekly coupons, here is the information for it. Here, you're simply going to text extra to that phone number there, and you'll be able to get those. They'll come every week, and then it just uploads to your card after you click on the hyperlink they send you on your text message. All right, guys, we have been moving with our channel. We are almost to 2,150 subscribers. Please go and check out the latest Walmart video. There is a giveaway on this video. So check it out, see what it's about, and you'll be able to be entered in to get a $10 Walmart e-gift card. So go check that out, please. Since I did mention IBOTTA in this video, I just wanted to reiterate how important IBOTTA bonuses are. IBOTTA is a rebate app that you can use to get money back on items that we're buying all the time. If you are not part of IBOTTA, please sign up using my code. It's listed right there. You'll get a $10 kickback, I believe, and I will as well. It helps you and it helps me, and I absolutely love IBOTTA to save money. All right, praisers and savers, that is all I have for you this week at CVS. I will be shopping at CVS this week, but we had a lot of bad weather in my area, so I want to still bring you the deals. I'll probably be hitting them up tomorrow or Tuesday, so be on the lookout for that CVS video. All right, guys, we'll talk to you next time.